Functional strength conditioning exercises and movements mimicking the activities and demands of daily life, work, or specific sports. The goal is to enhance the body's ability to perform practical tasks efficiently, safely, most importantly, effectively. Here's a deeper look into its components and philosophies. First and foremost, movement patterns. Functional training focuses on natural movement patterns such as squatting, lunging, pushing, pulling, bending, twisting, walking, and running. Now, these are movements we use in everyday activities, from simply lifting groceries to playing with the little ones. Now, multi-joint exercises, instead of isolating muscle groups, functional training often involves multi-joint exercises that engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. This approach enhances coordination, balance, and overall strength. Now, let's get into the core. So, this is absolutely crucial. Stability and core strength. A strong core is crucial for maintaining stability and proper posture during daily tasks and athletic activities. Functional exercises typically engage the core muscles, helping to prevent injuries and improve overall balance. Now let's talk about balance and coordination. Functional strength and conditioning programs often include exercises that challenge balance and coordination, which are essential for safe and efficient movement. Functional strength and conditioning aim to enhance the body's ability to perform everyday tasks and sport-specific movements efficiently and safely by focusing on natural movement patterns, core development, and stability training. And multi-joint exercises, it promotes overall fitness, reduces injury risk, and improves quality of life. Let's get functional today.